morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's Friday, last day of the week. Market looking very weak. Market looking very slow. It's been an okay week though so far. Been a couple good movers. We've taken it nice and slow. We're still in the thick of it. The market's still ass, but it's better. Feels like this week than it has been over the past few. Hey, Discipline, what's up? Good morning. Welcome in. Good to see you. Hey, Mike. How's it going? How's it going?
GMBL, Kev. ZLTA.
Okay.
PRTY.
Hey, Boba, good morning. Welcome in. Looks very, very, very slow this morning. SPY's down to 385. We got a 29% gainer. 30% gainer. You guys taking trades yet? You guys done anything? I'm just now getting out of the desk. Excuse me. Did you Call of Duty fans watch any of the event yesterday? Thought the new Warzone, the new game, looks pretty good. Proximity chat, you got fighting in the water now. They're bringing back terminal, bringing back high rise. Pretty sweet.
ATXG.
Oh man. Morning, Jordan. Yes, it's finally Friday. The market looks the worst today than it has all week. We finally got a gap down day. Yeah, what a long week for real. Still fighting this cough.
ALHC.
Let's go to screen share. Yep, we finally dipped below the trend line. So we closed under the trend line around 389, and now we've gapped down to 385. Hey, Mike, welcome. Welcome to the inner circle. Appreciate you. So yeah, 385.09 is where we're at. So we're about right here. I mean, there's a little bit in this zone, so maybe we'll find some support through here. If not, you know, it's looking like 380 to 370. Hey, Robin. Good morning. Welcome in. Good to see you. You guys watch the new Thursday Night Football on NFL or on Amazon Prime? That looked pretty good. Thought it looked pretty crispy. I didn't watch all of it. Yeah, we're getting better. We're not 100% yet, but we're all getting better, Robin. Appreciate it. It's mainly just a cough now that we all have. Well, Noah didn't even get a cough, really. He seems to be pretty much okay. Lingered, yeah. That's what everybody's saying. Like, either you lost your taste for a month or you had a cough for a month or something. So this is our top gainer here, AAOI. Don't know why it looks like this. So it looks like it had news and after hours yesterday, which kind of gapped it up. And then it faded off this morning and it's just trading sideways.
TBLT.
Look at this, pre-market low, pre-market low, pre-market low. There's finally a pre-market high, but Verb's like 20 cents or something, I think. No, 50 cents. Considering we've had a few, pre-market runners, we've had a few intraday runners this week, kind of feel like we're going to get something this morning. Just a little bit. Even though the market's down, small caps seem to have disconnected a little this week, which is great. I love that. I love when that happens. So you don't ever have to pull up SPY. But today maybe they're back to connecting because nothing's really up with the market down. But when you get a market that, small, mid cap even, will disconnect from SPY and not follow every single tick of the overall market, that's a good thing. Like if there's good news on XYZ, it goes up regardless of the market. If there's a sector moving, then it goes up regardless of the market. So that's what we really hope for. HKD faded really hard back yesterday. It's actually up a little bit, 10% this morning. Hold on 1 second. All right.
GMBL. NKLA.
I'm trying to think of the stuff that's ran this week and I'm blanking. Just to see like what else is in play. ISEE still hanging around. Never really broke down.
Spear.
I honestly cannot think for the life of me. NRBO was one. So NRBO kind of already had its like T2 setup run here. and it's already fading back. CMRA, same thing. Yesterday, it actually, so we were looking at this at open, and I kind of missed it. Never dipped 1 cent, but went straight up here. And then after this move, I thought it was done, but I actually had a second leg. It pushed all the way to 380. QTNT, I don't know why this is up. Probably just another penny stock. No, actually, there was a insider buy yesterday. 700,000 shares at 20 cents by Von Prodensky Hino. Sweet. Sorry if I'm like really nasally today. Just a little nasally today. Sound like Squidward. Usually there's something up to where, like, if no news comes out, then you think that's gonna be like the lead dog take over, but nothing's even up this morning. So maybe we gotta wait till 8:30. So it looks like nothing really comes out this morning. Eurozone CPI came out this morning. 9.1% year over year. Came out at 5 a.m. Ooh, ADTX a little spike here. Somebody's trying to get this started. This is the one that reversed. Aw, man. This is like somebody's alerting it. Unless it just had news. It didn't have news, did it? Oh. Oh. What is this? This is getting front run by some group. Unless it's a Benzinga exclusive. Let's see. I don't see anything. So yeah, this was the one that reverse split, kind of ran up to the reverse split, ran up through the reverse split, and then the day of faded really hard. Never had one bounce really. And then yesterday it continued to fade. And then just now it got a random volume spike. So either a group is trying to start it, or they already loaded and they just alerted it. But it already is going from 1250 to 1060. Still don't see anything on Twitter or anything. Excuse me, sorry. don't know why AAOI is not on this top volume leader. Like, none of these are. That's weird. Because this has 1.2 million, that has 2 million, that has 2.6 million. Wait a second. These are two very extremely different number sets here. Like FFIE is not even on this list.
TBLT.
Let's do this. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why that was stuck like that. So SQQQ is actually our top volume leader today. That's funny. Everybody just playing the short market. SPY's trying to leg lower right now. So ADTX a little more more action.
ZBO.
So thin though. Marcus, Dad, what the heck are we gonna do? We can't just play Wordle all day. Need something else to do. Is the chat working today? Or is everybody just half asleep? Because I did see it do something weird a second ago and never saw a message come through. Oh, you're here? Okay. Alright, gotcha. Yeah, it did something weird on my screen a minute ago. Like it looked like a message popped up, but nothing happened. Like it was just a blank space. So, good morning, guys. Good morning. You're here. Hey, Mick. What's up? Yeah, just Robin spamming.
ATXG.
Nothing with even a remote pulse right now. Yeah, snacks. Don't blame it on Robin. So 384.54 is the pre-market low here on SPY. Or honestly, I mean, 380 should be magnet almost. So we can go ahead and honestly delete this trend line.
TRSP.
So we can just draw in a horizontal 380. And then 370, I guess. Hey, Jesus, good morning. I have to manually edit these. We're just chilling this morning. All right, so that's what we're looking at on SPY now. Upper trend confirmed several times. Honestly, we can go, there's actually two trends now. Kind of sucks because that's just multiple layers we got to get back through on the way up.
TBLT.
I don't know if I like that. Nah, I'm just gonna leave that one off. It is a trend here, but this is like an outlier, so I'm just not even gonna draw it in. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even see a pattern anymore. Looks like we're coming to 380. It really does. 380 test. Then maybe get going back upwards again. When is the FOMC? Is that next week or the week after? Because I think it's gonna be kind of ugly up to that because we're pricing in another 75. I've been too lazy to gel my hair this week, and it keeps freaking falling on my face. But yeah, if for some reason it's like a surprise on the 21st, okay. For some reason, hey Florida, good morning. For some reason it is a surprise, like 50. The market's gonna go up for sure. Elon's actually calling for a cut. He said that. Oh my God. I'm regressing here. I was doing good up until last night. He said that we risk deflation. But I mean, he's not really an economist.
SSR.
But he said we should do a 25 basis point reduction, you know. I doubt that's going to happen. But for them to do like a 0.5 instead of a 7.5 would be nice. I don't know. I feel like this may be the last 7.5. Look at QQQ. That's one thing I never ever look at, and that is the that's like tech sector. So we'll trend it in here. I don't like when there's an outlier on the trend here. Yeah, I agree that rates will keep going up, but I think they'll slow it down. Like 75 every time is a lot. I guess that's the upper trend. I don't like outliers like this. And then, so QQQ, I mean, it looks very similar. It's got the 280, 285 level.
AMPX.
Hey, Broda, what's up? What's up? What's up? We're just charting out some QQQ, some SPY. Yeah, so it's got 285 and then around like 280, 275 to 280. Yeah, there's really not a whole lot going on. This one had a little bit of a bottom trend as well. That looks like it already broke, even lower wick wise. I think it's already broken. Yeah, well broken. So 285. I mean, we're almost to 285 right now. So 285, 280 level on QQQ coming up.
QUBT.
Let's see, over here, 285 was a level as well. Once the rates hit about 4.5 and inflation's cooling, then the Feds will do a nice drop to jumpstart the economy. They cannot do this unless Fed rate is close to 5. Okay. So yeah, this is what we got on QQQ now. I don't even know what Dow is. No. What the heck is Dow?
STRN.
Something I never even look at. STRN is that news. Major contract with leading North American infrastructure services company. That's a little lame. SQFT share repurchase program. SONN announces that reverse split.
SQFT. SQFT.
Somebody's stacking in bids.
Doug.
SONN announces the reverse split. Oh my god, what a terrible fill. I was trying to sell at 26 and it filled me literally right where I bought. That's what sucks about this matrix like this. Let me see if I can actually fix it.
VGR.
Okay, I can on this one. I should have switched it to that. So yeah, someone had the reverse split news. Share repurchase program on SQFT. AREC, little fluffy, build their own commercial something. Spy new lows.
GMBL.
Shoot. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be real bad. But I mean, this day over here, wherever it was, this day right here was horrendous. It was like 4 and 4.25 or something. Red. Which a lot of it came right here. But still, it was just death all day. I think we should have, let's just get everybody close out their swings, except for long terms, and give us that negative 7% day, halt us down, maximum fear, how do you say, capitulation, capitulate. And then just be done. You know, get it over with within a week. Stop this slow bleed. Stop this slow death. And just absolutely destroy it if we're going to die. And then we can recover.
TBLT. PETV.
Yeah, I hate seeing it chop around. It's so annoying. If you're going to go to 360, 350, go there. Don't go to, 370, and then 400, and then 365, and then 390, and then 360, and then 385. Like, just stop. Just die if you're going to die. Get the pain out of the way. Let VIX go to whatever, 50, 70. Halt us up. as long as stocks run, I don't care what happens to the overall market really right now. In the end, it will be higher. We will be over 480 eventually. So, I'm not really worried about it. We will be 500 eventually. Cough's getting worse. So if things, things are still going to continue to have good news. Just have that run. Have the good news runners run. Don't even look at the overall market. Who cares? Make your money there and let this just continue fade. The big red days during COVID were some of the best days.
PZG.
Kind of annoyed that literally sold me right at even. Yeah, that is pretty bad. I feel like cars are so expensive now. Most car payments are like $750.
AAOI. Figs.
Don's all over Twitter. All over it. Same group, The Damn Sun Squad.
RVPH.
I don't know why AOI looks so strange. Maybe it's because it did a true gap up in after hours. What's even the news on that? Launches quantum bandwidth. I wish I had fiber access here. Hey JD, what's up? Good morning. My Comcast is pretty good though. You guys remember I had that issue a couple weeks ago, but
NKLA.
Besides that, it's pretty good. NKLA pre-market highs. What are you doing? I need to go find a real cough drop. I'll be right back.
CLF.
All right. Yeah, that was the news on AOI. little bit of fiber internet news.
WLDS. Rev. New. APRN.
Excuse me. Well, that doesn't work. Just trying to set up a hotkey for muting.
EDTK.
Gonna pray for no screwing up today. Yeah, Fridays, that can happen, I feel like. Oh, that's killer. 100%. AC, what up? Okay, I figured it out.
Son. Figs. Son.
This is still running after, I mean, it got pumped that it was having the meeting for the reverse split, and then it fell back down, and it still, once the reverse split news came out, which everybody was expecting to come out, it's still going up. Hey, look at this pumping up over here. That's ugly. Wow. They popped it up from 850 to 1250, and then it's already back to low of day.
All.
Ugly, 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 ugly.
EXMT.
I don't know. I never saw anything, but it just got a random stick up for, from like 870 all the way to 1250. Now it's about to fall through Maybe it was a short group. Maybe they pushed it up just to get people trapped. I don't know. Because now that it's just walking it down, you can see him walking it down in the ask. Big refreshing ask. Now low of day. A low 8. It's absolutely getting destroyed.
The pig's hoop.
NBRV reverse split today. What's the float? Definitely higher than some of the recent ones. You can already tell by looking at this. One for 25. Like 2 point something looks like. 66 divided by 25. 2.64 million float. Ish. So yeah, it looks like it had its run here. A little bit faded off yesterday.
ADTX.
Now it's just kind of chilling, hanging around.
DPRO.
I'm for Wordle. No way I'm getting a second guess again today. It's literally 2 days in a row.
PLTR.
Okay. Okay, blank AR. ER.
GFAI.
Fairer.
GPS.
Ah, man. Terror. 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 Bearer. Oh, this could be a lot of stuff. Oh, no. We'll try care. Oh, no. I don't know if where is a word. Terror, I don't know if that's a word. Terror, Sarah, dare, could be dare. Okay, so probably dare, right? Pear.
Son.
You joking me? There were too many options. What the hell? I literally went from getting it second guess 2 days in a row to this BS. Fair, bearer, care, and dare. No, it was pair, which I don't even know what that is. Alrighty then.
APRN. DPRO. DM.
Oh, this isn't right. Yeah, I don't look at chat though when I'm doing it. All good. Yeah, I don't know what the heck song's doing. Yeah, it's literally in a range from 30 to like 26 within one candle. Top gainer now at 26%.
CLF. ATXG.
Market looks like it's wanting to go for 380. That's for sure.
NBRB.
Somebody hit MBRV.
RMO.
You
MEGL.
go sit in your corner now. MEGL day.
BULZ.
Definitely bulls pre-market low. Bulls are getting wrecked. Airy.
WKHS.
Ooh, what happened here? Yeah, it's sitting right on the 50.
CLOB.
Yesterday I had a bad day. But it may be coming down to a support level. Oh, that was a short report yesterday. Okay. It kind of was a daily flag up until the past few days.
ZVO.
Yeah, short percentage did go down, didn't it?
F.
Interesting.
Coal.
You would just have less shares than before. It would be, if it's at the same price as it was, like relatively post reverse split, then you would just be even on it or whatever. If you had it over here, you'd be up. But whatever price you had it at, I don't know, you'd be down if you bought it over here.
WEBL. BCRX.
Holding through reverse split used to be a thing, man. It used to be, because they used to be bottomed out and it would reverse split into a low float, kind of like they've been doing a little bit lately. And it would run. ELTK was a really, really good one.
BNTC.
Yeah, for real. Up 1,000%. It's gonna go 1,000 more, baby. ADTX just got absolutely boned.
OILD.
Can't believe we haven't gotten any news today. There's literally nothing, man.
TBLT.
Straight up nothing. Yeah, no problem.
ADTX.
We need a good SPY hedge. Oil goes down with it now. Bitcoin goes down with it now. Everything is SPY, which is worst case scenario for everybody. No hedge, just get wrecked.
VIPs. Sun.
In COVID, like the more bad news that came out,
CLH.
and the more the market fell, the more the bios went up. I tried it for a little bit, not right now. That leverage though is pretty crazy for crypto.
SQFT. FNGU.
My goodness, man.
BULZ. Time.
Yeah, we're starting to accelerate now. It's funny, once you break these trend lines, just how quick things unfold. They tried to hold it for a good while here. And it was all because of a 0.02%
APR.
higher inflation than expected.
APRN. PNNT.
Better than last month, month over month. But 0.02 higher than expected. And we got a 415 to 380.
Coal. CCL. F. GDRX.
And you got Costco and Walmart this weekend. Hey, Costco's not bad. Costco tells you what you need to buy. Yeah, we're getting some accelerated selling now.
GFI. NBRV. Hook.
Load up on toilet paper. Yeah, never run out of toilet paper now. We all know that.
Sun. SLY. Snap. SQFT.
Yeah. Yeah, we always buy like our toilet paper and paper towels there at Costco. So everything on every one of my watch lists are red except for FRZA for some reason. I don't even know why I still have that up.
BIAS. Yell. SQFT. CUK. WEBL.
Is that the reason CLEU was already up? China Liberal Education Holdings Limited signs letter of intent with Airways or Iways, AIWAYS. It was already up for a reason though, so I'm not touching it here. It's trying to go though. That's weird. So it was up on no news until that just came out. That's weird. So somebody knew, obviously. Somebody had to know. This was already up. All pre-market. Getting bought. Hey, Stacy, good morning.
SQFT.
Welcome in. Yeah, it just had news. It was up all morning before that, but it just had news. I know, why didn't they tell us?
SQFT.
This is the news right here. Whoa, SQFT is the one that had the share repurchase program earlier.
AMC.
Wasn't doing anything. Now it's all of a sudden at 250. Okay.
MEGL.
Somebody's walking it. Walking it up.
Bird. INM. CRF. Path. RDHL. LABU. FUBO. Any.
And pre-market high. Oh yeah, okay. Not
Real.
really. Why is GMBL down to 19 cents for?
TBLT.
Remember yesterday it did that weird bounce in pre-market.
SOLTL. ZFOX.
Appreciate the likes, guys. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for being here as always. Thanks to Mike for joining the inner circle.
CCL.
CLE is trying to push a high day here. What was that one? MBRV. Yeah, still just kind of chilling.
BNTC.
Maybe 550, get a buy. 550 to 575. Here for the free Dr. Pepper. I gotcha. Yep. It's about time for Dr. Pepper, to be honest with you. Let's go grab one.
LICY. NBRV.
Here we are. Little ASMR for your pleasure.
BDRY. UA. DMTK.
That was a straight up, straight down move. Market's still death. MBRV starting to die. CLEU is now our top gainer
REI.
at 120.
AMANPX. FSLY. SBS. CLEU.
CLEU is like the only thing even with a pulse right now.
CLEU. WEBL. Second. DVAX.
It's up to 126. There's a gap on CLEU actually. Sorta. It's like a wiki gap from over 124 all the way up to 152. It's a body gap. There's a wick there, but there's a body gap.
Fail.
I guess I can take that off the screen now.
AMC.
AMC pre-market lows.
LSTA. BGFC. SON. GMBL.
Where's Son at?
FUBO.
Back down
TRX.
to 25s now. Okay.
CRF. BOR. CLOV. BBD.
Everything. Pre-market low. Pre-market low. Pre-market low. I don't know what TRX is. Everything making pre-market high though is just like nothing.
Azul. New.
That was a textbook head and shoulder on MEGL yesterday. Shoulder, head, shoulder, fail.
SJJ.
What the heck is this? Science Joy. Cyan Joy. Yeah, I wish something was a hedge, man. Like oil's down, Bitcoin down, Russell down, marijuana down, wheat down, natty gas down.
AUY. NTCO. SQF. IMPX. SQFT.
Gold is down, it looks like. Or at least JNUG is. JNUG's down. Gold miners. Bull down. What is this? Why is this doing this? Somebody's walking it up.
PPTA.
You know, it means a lot, guys, that you guys hang here, hang with me, comment,
GTXU.
even if the market's dead. Like, I'm not going over trades. I'm just giving play-by-play on what I'm seeing in front of me, which is not a whole lot right now, and you guys are still hanging here, so I really appreciate it. Where's CLEU at? Can we hold this level here? Volume slowed way down on it.
Serve. CMRE.
But it is our top gainer. 5 million volume today.
SJ.
I keep AAOI up over here. Yeah, it's almost there. It's almost to 3. Oh, that was a nice little bounce. Looked like it was failing. Oh my god, is it gonna be a fake out?
USAS PBR PTON AI VIPs DNMR
There we go.
UEC
Literally don't trust it. That's sad. I can't get more than like 1 cent out of a move. Alright, I'll just wait for it open. I'm gonna go feed the dog, go say hi to the baby, take a break. Be back in like 5 minutes or less.
ELOX AUY WKHS INM SON UXIN CRF CFBI SJ LICY Very PBI AI AAOI. HIBS.
ADTX offering. ADTX offering. So that was that last little hurrah right before they offered. Looks like that it did earlier today. Sheesh.
CLOB.
Get wrecked. $12.50 to $5 within, what is this, 20 minutes? 30 minutes? Actually, an hour. 1 hour.
Yo.
AAOI sitting right on your $3 level.
DBAX, FTCI. NBTA. TINB. DNMR. BDRY.
CLEU's trying to push up again. 123, 124. Taking some AAOI, okay.
Soul.
Yeah, it's on the 200 on the 5 as well. Oil's pushing up a little bit, but I guess it's just recovering because of the market. Like, there's no such thing as something moving outside of the market.
GMBL.
Good entries though. If it holds this level, this is in the lowest risk, highest reward zone.
SABR ADTX TBLT NTCO VGFC.
All right, CLEU looks like it's gonna fade down unless there's a hero. So maybe that'll fade down enough for open. We'll see. So close over 3 before open on AAOI would be nice.
UEC ALHC FNGU
ATX 550. So this was $30. Like what? A day ago? $35 almost. 3 days ago. Now it's lower than where it started at. So it's a 52-week low now. This is so stupid.
Go.
Wow, that was a crazy round trip. But I mean, whoever was in the game here
BLU
killed it. EA Sports, it's in the game. All right, we got about 3 minutes left till open.
WLDS
Go ahead and switch over my trade ideas to intraday. CLEU definitely still in play. I don't know if I want to hold through open though. That's our top gainer. Actually, what the heck's AMPX? Kensington Capital Acquisition. Oh. Must be a SPAC that just listed or something. Here's to see what HKD does at open. In the basket, you know, HKD, AMTD, JZ, Megal, those guys. CLEU, AAOI still, I guess, in play. And then MBRV was the one that reverse split today. Maybe a little bit more negative feeling towards MBRV because ADTX already had its offering. I don't know. Maybe not. Shouldn't really affect it that much. All right, we got about 30 seconds.
ADTX.
Market little pushing to open here.
ISC, EEV, CLEU, SMN, CLEU, ENOB, Gold, INMB, CLED, CYXI, QTNT, HDSN, AAOI.
God, scanners are nuts. Yeah, back over 310, nice.
PXS,
CLEU high of day test here.
QID, Cato, SMDD, FNGG, SPX.
Oh, CLE big pop. Should have held through open, I guess. 130 plus now. Got that top gainer spike, but now right back down 124.
Breath, FLGC,
NBRV fading way down, $5 here.
OYST,
Trying to halt it down almost, looks like.
HDSN, AAOI,
Yeah, it's halting, looks like. Yeah, no, they bought it up. They bought it up. It's still going lower. Good job on AOI. Pushed off the 200, pushed off 295 up to 308. Good job.
DWSH,
HDSN.
HLIT,
Okay, market had that pushing to open. Now fading back down a little. CLEU got smashed off the top.
BRTX, CLEU, TNXP,
Not a whole lot going up here, guys.
BTMT, PMTS,
Son probably getting 45 tweets right now.
PRPH, Farm, NEOB, Jan, CLEU,
Taking it nice and slow.
VIRI,
No reason to rush today. Okay, AOI starting to fail down now. SPY starting to fail down now. CLEU still up. Don't like it as much though after that ugly smash it open.
Son. CSCW. Son. Rear.
Son, I'm not even interested in even pulling up. They can blow the scanner up all at once. I'm not interested in any way.
NMTR. SCPS. Adil. JFU.
What are you guys looking at in MTA? Let's see.
IBRX. Week plus. IBRX. BIRI.
Not much. Doesn't look like.
GPP.
I wish AAOI had a more, convincing, stronger news for it to be up. KNW.
PETV.
Oh yeah, ADN. Yep. Still looking pretty okay. Even with the market down this far. Son, they're giving it the pump. It's up to 28.60. Yeah, it's hanging out right here. Just under 3. Maybe Son's the only pumpable stock today, so it's going to be the one that runs. I don't know. It's pushing up towards 30, though. I had 25 this morning. It sold in like 30 seconds. CLU fading hard now. Got a 113. So they gave it the old 2022 breakout at open. Ended the candle almost at lows, and then just second candle murdered it.
CWBR. BIRI. PBTS. NBRB. AMTD. AGTS. ILA.
Not MEGL. HKD starting to do something. 165, 167.
AMTD. SCC. OWLT.
Halting up, HK halting up. Watch AMTD and MEGL. Actually, it didn't halt up. They didn't let it halt up, but it's at 172, 171.90.
Brez.
Okay, it's trying to halt up now, 172.87 on HKD. Still trying to halt up here. 172.87 halted. Okay, so HKD halted up. MEGL, high of day here, 649. $650 break. HKD's halted up. So HKD, and then the simps are AMTD and MEGL. So AMTD, and I took a little MEGL when I saw it start moving. Yeah, again, yeah. When there's nothing else to run and it's got, you know, it's thin, it's low float, yada yada, I mean. Put my stop in though on MEG. I already took a lot of profit. I had 2,500 shares down here. This is what I would consider a reactive trade. MEGL didn't have volume really yet, but HKD was pushing, and you know they're connected. When you have a sympathy that's like directly connected, usually you get a reactive trade type move. I'll go ahead and take this right here. Like I said, nice and slow. When I'm green, I'm taking my profits out. But this week has felt a little different. I've been green almost every day this week. Very small. I've been going nice and easy, nice and slow. But I've been green almost every day this week. I think maybe Monday or Tuesday, I lost like $100 Monday. But then every other day, it's been slow and steady little gains adding up. Haven't made over like $700 in a day, but little days have been adding together, and it's better than freaking losing. So AOI trying to fail here, SPY trying to fail here. Yeah, Jesus, it's been a okay week. Nothing to, you know, go party it over, nothing to go celebrate, but I didn't lose, and I made a little bit of money, so I'll take it. I don't know what IMTE is doing today. As you guys know, if you pay attention to, if you've been paying attention to small caps, IMTE is a crazy one. I mean, it has runs to 10, down to 5, up to 30, down to 5, up to 13, down to 5, up to whatever, $1.50. So this thing runs when it wants to run. You can't force it to run. It catches and just does weird stuff. So today may just be one of those weird days. End of the week, yeah, 10%. It's huge. Market low of day here. So market underneath 383. TCRT, I don't know what that is either.
FLYD.
Dead cat bounce looks like today.
CLEU.
Ooh, CLEU bounced. I hate when the charts look like this at open, though. I really do. You get this opening push and then just get smashed, and then the next candle's red, and the next candle's green to match it. So it's just this tight bunch with a big range that you really don't know which way it's going to go.
Grill.
Rug is up on the top gainer list today. Yeah, Drug with a little pop today, 12%. Guess it was due for a daily bounce. Yep. So it looks like it faded all the way off from this huge run that it had all the way to the 50 SMA, and now it's getting a little bounce today. Maybe up to 150, 160. I don't think there's any reason. Okay, HKD is open, 173. I almost have to move the matrix to like $1 here. Look how thin this thing is. It's just insane. The spread's 179 to 183. Drug up to 150 now, yeah. It was due a bounce day. Today's the day. All right, now this just fell from 183 to 165.
ONTX.
Not really seeing much I like. I had the reactive trade with MEGL of HKD, but now HKD's kind of losing momentum already. CLEU, don't like the chart. Had some okay trades on it in pre-market. I mean, it can still push up. It's still in like the opening bunch formation here. Underneath 113, it should be done for the day. But if it can confirm a body over 124, maybe push up. This is around the 200 on the daily. Still got that gap to fill to 150 though. That body gap. There is a wick like inside of this gap here, but it is a body gap from close of day on the 25th of May to the opening of the 26th. So that's what creates the gap. IMT, yeah, I don't know what's up with that. It's still trying to tick up, huh? Just one of those days it's getting possessed. Drug testing 150 here. Volume still increasing so far from drug.
DTSS. EEV. Drug. IPDM. Drug. ADN. NRGRGB.
Right through 150.
IMT.
So daily 9 EMA is at 158. A little 160 resistance, maybe 200 SMA. Probably top end resistance 177. But remember, it has no reason to bounce. It's just a daily bounce from a 50 SMA. And drug's a finicky one, so I wouldn't be surprised that once it makes the top, it's just going to fade the rest of the day. $160 now. It's funny how drug wasn't even in play today. Like, it wasn't even up. It had nothing, no volume in pre-market, and then it just becomes, you know, kind of the play of the day after open because nothing was set up. Drug wasn't in play this week. It hasn't been in play in weeks. Hasn't been on the scanner in weeks, but one of those things, like, starts hitting the scanner, people pull up the daily chart, you see the bounce of the 50 SMA, you see it has a little bit of room, and here you go. Up to 165 now. I should have played it a little longer. I played the 150 break, but I only took like a cent out of it. Yeah, IMT is kind of doing the same thing. No reason to be up, but it's pushing. Now, it's coming up right now, though, on 50 SMA res. IMTE, is that first target? Yes. Is that top? I don't know. Over this is 180 res. Wow, market put call ratio higher than COVID. So they think 0.02% higher inflation than expected is worse than the economy literally being shut down. And there being a global uncertainty pandemic, potentially, you know, turn us into zombies or whatever else. Yeah, there's too many people that know, you know, oh, I know it's going to go to lows. I know we're going to fall off. That's when it starts turning around. That's when it's the bottom gets put in. Drug, honestly, had a good push today. 167 now. I played the 150 break. 150 had like a 60K wall. I thought it was just going to shred that, go up 2 cents and die. Okay, IMT up through the, oh, I see some bid props here too. 37K bid props. So that's another reason IMT may be moving today. But IMT up, coming up on let's see, yeah, 170s.
AAPD. IPA. Drug. ANIX. AAOI. AAOI.
I don't see drug going past 177, 180. Does have all the volume though today, really. IMT's got a little bit. AOI with the bounce. No man's land.
TCRT, DRRX, ICAD, WHJCTG. ACTG. OIIS zone.
See really nothing I like. Drug trying to top out a little bit. It's got a lot of upper wicks here.
ICW, NBRV,
I don't know if I'll take another trade today. Hey, good job. Good job. Lock it in. Drug is coming up to the top already. Over 170, may go to like 177, 180. I don't see it going past 200 SMA on the daily though. 150 was really the level it needed to break, and it already did. So it's coming up to high of day here, 170. I don't really see it getting past 180. Unless it's just going to be one of those that shreds the 200, which would be weird.
LYT, beat, IAG, beat.
I'd imagine it gets hit by shorts here soon. They're probably just waiting on the 200 to hit. Beat with a little push. It kind of faded it open and then pushed straight back up. Little trap candle. You know how we love those.
Drug.
This looks algo. See how when it has a line like this and there's really like no waves to it, it's just like straight up line. It looks like just algo send.
TSLS.
Not touching the 9 on the 1, just kind of straight up. Yeah. Yeah, AOI. Off of 288. So this steep upper trend is starting to fail now. Yeah, what is going on with AOI? It's volatile. Market spilling, 382s. But we made it to 10. It's been a good week. Been a nice slow and steady week. Actually, drugs trying to make a high day here, so it hammered up a little bit. It may go to 175 to 180, but I really don't see it going any higher. It could, sure, but I don't really see it going any higher. Personal opinion there. But appreciate you guys hanging out this week. Thanks to all the new members. Thanks to the likes, comments, hanging out with me all week long. I'll try to put out a new video this weekend. We'll see. If I don't, I will be back on Monday morning. Whoops. Whoops. How did that happen? There we go. You guys know it. It's been a good week. I've enjoyed it. I had fun. First week back after being sick. Thanks for being here. See ya.